Hey everyone. So far you should have already completed the transformations that map figures onto itself section. So now we're going to do identifying polygons. And part of what we're going to be learning throughout this course is obviously identifying different polygons. And you need to be able to do that. So you should be able to know obviously what different shapes are, but let's just go over it really quick. You want to ask yourself, how many sides does this have? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Which type of shape has 8 sides? And this is where this comes into play. So the polygon above has 8 sides, and it is so notice how all the angles and the sides are the same. How do we know that? Whenever you see this little arc and it's the same as this arc, that means equal angles. And obviously all the sides are the same because it says 3, 3, 3, etc. all around. So the angles are the same and the sides are the same. That means that it is a regular polygon. So please make a note of that, and I'm going to write it in the text. Regular polygons, same angles and same lengths. So if the angles and the lengths are all the same, sorry, no, let me modify that. Equal angles and equal lengths. If all the angles are equal and all the lengths are equal, then it's a regular polygon. And now, and please, you should have been writing that down, by the way, somewhere, hopefully in a notebook, preferably. So you should ask yourself, which of these shapes has 8 sides? So again, if you're not sure about the shapes, you could always look it up, but you need to be able to recall what these shapes are. Quad is 4. Oct is 8. Non sounds similar to 9. And hex is 6. So that is pretty much the answer for this. So that's what you're going to be doing for the next few questions. And then the next one, I'm going to kind of walk you through that. So you're going to be doing, I'm going to update this video. You're going to move ahead to check for understanding number 1, which says, what is the minimum number of degrees needed to rotate an equilateral triangle onto itself? So I'm going to do another video on that shortly, but that's the next section. So after you do identifying polygons, make sure you watch the video before moving on to check for understanding in number 1. Okay, thank you guys.